Otumfuo Osetutu II has served his just and lawful time as a provincial Grand Master North. In his capabilities, the aura, everything, we should elevate him to a point where he doesn't come into the lodge and anybody sits down. This is the foundation of the Grand Patron. I discussed this in the 1 hour or so meeting I had with my late Deputy Grandmaster. He spoke for about 40 minutes, and I spoke for only 20 minutes. So we decided that the Grand Lodge of Ghana Constitution had to be amended to incorporate the office of Grand Patron to honor our one and only Otumfuo Osetutu. Brethren will recall that my then Deputy Grandmaster, who is now the Grandmaster, moved the motion, and I got a brother to second the motion to amend the Constitution of the Grand Lodge of Ghana. But in Masonic jurisprudence, whenever a proposal is made, it has to be confirmed at the following annual communication. Indeed, it was confirmed. But by the time the Otumfuo would be made a Grand Patron, I had demitted office. Brethren, today I am proposing a toast to my late Deputy Grandmaster, but now most worshipful the Grandmaster. And I want to tell you that he influenced my decision to amend the Constitution, and thereby the celebration of today's ceremony. My brother, most worshipful the Grandmaster, I thank you very much. You gave me the best advice I could have. Most worshipful brother,